Hello and welcome back to the Luigi micro frontend framework. In this video, we will show you how simple the concept of Luigi is and how it can help you create a great application. If you are a busy developer who is curious, but you don't want to go through the entire Luigi installation process, we have some good news for you. Luigi is so simple that you can create your application with only a single HTML file. To download this HTML file, go to the Luigi documentation. You can find the link in the description of this video. When you open the file, you should see this small application. We can take a closer look at the file inside the text editor. We will see that besides the most basic HTML elements, such as the title of the page, the rest of the content is handled by Luigi. We have the Luigi configuration included here, and you can make changes to it just like for a normal application. It contains navigation nodes, which are displayed in the side navigation, and it even includes some custom micro frontends. The navigation nodes consist of different parameters, such as the path segment, which will be added to the URL when you click on that particular node, the text label of the node, the view URL, which points to the micro frontend, and a context. The context is a handy way of sending data to the micro frontend. In our case, we have configured our micro frontend to accept these objects from the main app, title, content, and an image with some size options. But you can of course define your own set of objects that get sent to the micro frontend. Those can be specific user data or settings, for example. This is one of the great things about Luigi. It does more than just build a consistent user interface and put a micro frontend in the middle of it. It also allows for communication with the micro frontend, meaning that you can create customized, responsive, and fully integrated applications in a very simple way. So let's try to make some changes to the micro frontend using the navigation node context. For example, I want my image to be smaller, and I want the title to say Hello World instead of Hello Luigi. We save, open the file again, and you can see the changes. Thank you for watching this video about the Luigi open source project. For more information, please read our documentation on docs.luigi-project.io.